Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Anywhere. I'm Jaxsyn. I hope your morning is going well. Maybe you are relaxing. Maybe you are working. Maybe you are studying. Wherever you are, I'm glad you are here today. Today's lesson is very important. It is something every English learner struggles with: how to think in English naturally. Because many learners have one big problem. They translate everything from their native language into English, sentence by sentence, word by word. And this slows them down. It makes speaking difficult. It makes English feel unnatural. So today, we will fix that step by step.
Why you should stop translating. When you translate in your head, your brain works twice. First, you think in your language. Then you convert it into English. This creates delay. This creates confusion. This creates hesitation. That's why many learners say, "I know English, but I cannot speak fast." The problem is not English knowledge. The problem is thinking process. Fluent speakers do something different. They think directly in English. No translation, no delay, just natural response. Step 1. Start with simple English thoughts. You do not need advanced English to think in English. Start very simple. For example, instead of thinking, "I want to go to the market later," in your language first, think directly, "I want to go to the market." Or even simpler, "I am hungry. It is hot today. I feel tired." Short thoughts are powerful. They train your brain step by step. Step 2. Describe what you see. Look around you right now and describe it in English. For example, "I see a table. My phone is on the table. The room is quiet. It is morning." This is very powerful training because you are connecting English with real life. Not theory, not memorization, real thinking. Step 3. Talk to yourself in English. This may feel strange at first, but it works very well. During your day, talk to yourself. For example, "I need to finish my work. I should drink water. I will study English later. I am going outside now." You are creating an English environment in your mind. No pressure, no fear, just practice. Step 4. Use English for daily decisions. When you make small decisions, use English in your mind. For example, "What should I eat? I will eat rice. What should I wear? I will wear a t-shirt." Simple decision-making in English builds natural thinking. Slowly, your brain adapts. Step 5. Do not stop for mistakes. Many learners stop thinking because they worry, "Is this correct English?" But that is not important in thinking practice. The goal is flow, not perfection. Even if your sentence is not perfect, keep thinking, keep moving. Fluency comes from continuous thought, not perfect grammar. The secret behind fluent thinking. Here is the truth. Thinking in English is not a talent, it is a habit. You build it slowly, day by day, thought by thought. At first, it feels difficult. Then it becomes normal. Finally, it becomes automatic. Common mistake learners make. Many learners wait too long. They think, "I will think in English when I become fluent." But that is wrong. You become fluent by thinking in English, not after fluency, during the journey. Final motivation. Before we finish today's lesson, remember this. You do not need to be perfect to start thinking in English. You only need to start simple. One sentence, one thought, one moment at a time. Your brain is powerful. It will adapt. It will improve. It will learn naturally. So start today, not tomorrow, not later, today. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this lesson helps you think differently about English learning. I hope you feel more confident now. This is Jaxsyn from Speak English Anywhere. Keep practicing. Keep thinking in English. And I will see you in the next lesson.
Speak English Anywhere.